I'm doing Michelle and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to do a quick review of something that I picked up at my local Lots for Less, and I found this little bad boy in there, and this is from Revlon. They're Never Enough Lip. Apparently this was a collaboration they did with the model Ashley Graham, who I absolutely adore. She's awesome. This contains 2 lip colors and a lip liner. And you know lately how I've been about lip liners. I'm starting to make peace with the fact that they are kind of necessary. So I'm gonna open this up and see what it's about. Here's a picture in the back on what it looks like. And again, it's Ashley Graham, Revlon, Never Enough Lip. I don't know how old this this collaboration is. I will research it and post the information somewhere within this video or in the description box. But Lots for Less, as you may or may not know, is sort of like our dollar store. A lot of stuff that doesn't get moved or there's extra of somehow sometimes appears at the local Lots for Less. So I'm really excited about this. I saw this, I said, wow, you know, 2 lipsticks and a liner for one price. I gotta check that out. That's a decent price. So I'm gonna open this and see. And I do have other of these, the liquid lip. They were pretty good, I remember that. I do remember them being kind of perfumey though, so let's see. We will test that. So it's a Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. And there's a metallic matte lip color. So there's 2 different finishes in there. Nice, again, way to go. How come I didn't hear about this? Maybe I did and I just, you know, there's always so many lipsticks and eyeshadow palettes. Oh, wow, okay, so again, here's the box, and this is what it looks like within. And they changed this slightly so you could see her signature on the package. I'm assuming she picked out these colors, otherwise why would her name be on the box? Here is the lip liner. First thing off the bat is the liner is just not buttery. What color is this? Does it say? Maybe it says in the packaging. But this is the matte one. There's the kind of a flat on both sides applicator. And it does have a scent. Yeah. Sort of that fruity, extra sugary scent. So if you're not into fragrances, these Revlon ones may not be for you, but the color payoff is amazing. I'm gonna say this is definitely a winter color. Winter couldn't come fast enough for me. And this is just one application. Amazing. It's deep, it's dark, but I love it. Love, 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 love. It dries down fairly quickly. And I'm really glad that I had that liner. Although this liner, it feels like a liner that it went past its fresh mark. I don't know if it's because it's old, like quote unquote, maybe it's been around a while, or it's the actual texture of the Revlon lip liners. They tend to feel very, very hard, and they're not creamy. They don't melt when you touch the skin type of. It's not like that. You have to basically draw it like an old-fashioned crayon, like the old school, you know, lip liners that were really hard and yeah, it just could be the formula. It is Revlon. It's not to say that Revlon doesn't come out with some great products, because these I feel were one of their best that they came out in the last couple of years, these guys. But that lip liner was killing me. What do you think? Let's see if that's the matte. I'm gonna see if I can get a dimensional lip, because it sort of implies about having like big lips. So I don't know if it's because of the color itself that makes the lips more pronounced, or if it becomes more dimensionally big when you add a certain finish, and this is their metallic finish. I always, again, this one has a scent too. See, this is a totally different shade, so I'm assuming it's going to be like a top, like a glimmer over top. So let's see. Yeah, you see that? Oh, and I'm just gently patting it there, but you see the difference between this and the top. This gives it more dimension. I'm already loving this. It's a great idea. Love it, love it. I just want to smear this all over, but very nice, very, very nice. Yes, very nice indeed. I am loving this set. Ashley Graham and Revlon, the Never Enough Lip. Absolutely. If they had this in a deep red, oh my, like a deep cherry red, you know what I'm talking about. The really deep reds. Almost like this packaging, but maybe more on the brown side. Oh my goodness, it would have been amazing. Because to me, this comes off a bit on the brown side, but it's like raisin, and it's beautiful. I think this is a color a lot of people can wear, from light to deep tone. Maybe not exactly porcelain, because that might make it a little bit, but that's the whole point. It's called Never Enough Lip. If you are a fan of lip colors and of, you know, playing around with the dimensions, I would say, if you can, the matte formula, I'm gonna assume, is non-transferable once it's applied and it's allowed to dry. With the second formula on top of it, because there's at least two, you know, different as well as two layers, it may be transferable in a cup of coffee, just letting you know. But I'm trying to let this dry down. Let me see if it does. Yeah, as I suspected. Yeah, so it is transferable. I was thinking maybe if you just have the matte one, maybe not so much, but it may still transfer on a cup of coffee. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. I am so liking this color. I am so ready for fall. Raisin, here we come. How about you? Again, let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you on my next makeup adventure. Thank you for joining me on this one. Take care, stay safe. Bye.